How are you doing? I hope you're all having a great day today. My name is Dimple Ma'am. Can everybody say hi, Dimple Ma'am? So, what is our lesson for today? Our lesson for today is songbirds. Have you ever heard about songbirds? What is the meaning of songbirds? Can you try to find it out with the word songbirds? It is very clear, right? Songbirds are the birds who sing beautiful songs. They have a very melodious voice. So, have you ever woken up on a summer morning with the sound of birds singing outside your window? Many of you have, right? So, do you like listening to that song? You do? It is a very melodious song, right? So, people like songbirds a lot. And it is not only because of their beautiful voice, but songbirds are, actually very beautiful. They have vibrant colors and their nests are also very interesting. So, क्या होती है songbirds? Songbirds वो birds होती है जो beautiful songs गाती है, बहुत सुंदर दिखती है और उनके जो nest होते हैं वो भी बहुत interesting होते हैं. So today we are going to learn about 8 songbirds. Do you know any of the songbirds? Have you heard about cuckoo? Everyone must have heard about cuckoo, right? It is a very popular one. And you must have also seen a cuckoo. Cuckoo sings so beautifully, right? So, what are some of the other songbirds? So, kids, can you see a crossword over here? In this crossword, in the third line, there is a word highlighted with red color. That is magpie. So, magpie is already done for you. You need to find out the remaining songbirds. So let us begin. Okay, can you see? Can you find out the name of any of the songbirds in this crossword? Let us see. Okay, now let us start from the first line. Can you see any name of the songbird in the first line? Well, I can't see any of the names in the first line. So let us now look in the second line. In the second line, oh yes, I found it. In the second line, there is a songbird. Do you see now? Which songbird is it? It is the grosbeak. So, we have found the grosbeak. Okay. Now, let us look in the third line. In the third line, we already have magpie. Is there any other songbird in the third line? Well, I can see one. Can you see it? Yes, it is sparrow. Yay! We found one more songbird. Now let us move into the next line. Do we have any songbirds here? I cannot see any. Can you find any songbird? No, there is no songbird in the fourth line. So let us move to the fifth line. Is there any songbird in this line? Well, oh yes, I found it. It is the mockingbird. So we found mockingbird also. Now we have to find 4 more songbirds. Let us move to the next line. Can you see any songbird in the next line? Oh yes, there is one songbird. It is, which one? It is the nightingale. Okay, now we'll move on to the next line. Let us see who can find a songbird in this line. Well, I found 2 songbirds in this line. Did you find them? They are robin and canary. Yes, these are the two songbirds in this line. Now, we have only one songbird left. Which one is it? It is the cuckoo. Let us see if we have cuckoo in the next line. Okay, can you see cuckoo in the next line? Oh yes, I found cuckoo. Yippee! We found all the songbirds.